Are your Jeep Comanche taillights looking something like this? A little bit faded, a little bit tired? Well, we're going to take these taillights today and completely refinish them, make them look amazing, and go from this to this. Hell yeah. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys a cheap, simple, and effective way to make these taillights look like brand new. These are all the tools I will need for the job today. Get a green Scotch-Brite pad, Scotch-Brite. Some Rust-Oleum crystal clear enamel for a glossy protective finish. And a screwdriver to take the taillights out. Let's go. 2 screws inside the tailgate, 2 screws on the housing. Take them out, yank the light out. All right, so we got our taillight housings removed. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take them inside, wash them in the sink, spray them out, let them dry. Then I'm going to scuff them completely with the Scotch-Brite pad. I'm gonna scuff them everywhere. I'm gonna scuff off all the corrosion that I can see. I'm going to scuff these babies up real good. And then wash them again. Let's go. All right, let's go ahead and give these babies a scrub. Alrighty, we have some clean lenses. Now it's time to hit them with the Scotch-Brite. Make sure you hit every area of concern on this lens. Really scrub it nicely. Make sure you have it all nice and opaque, and Scotch-Brite it up, and then we'll wash it again. Okay, I just finished Scotch-Briting up the lens, and it's still wet. I'm about to dry it off, but it already looks a lot better. It's going to look opaque when it dries, but you'll see it on the next step. Let's go. Alright, we're going to let the sun dry these up now that they've been scuffed down and washed, and we'll see you in a second. Alright, we're back with the taillight housings nice and dry. They're nice and scuffed up. As I look closer, you know, I could have gotten in there a little bit better and scuffed them a little bit nicer, but for educational purposes, this will do. So let's get some clear on here. Let's shake up the can real nice. Give it a couple test hits before we lay it down. Then we're going to put some really light coats. Put a light coat, let it air out, flash off, and dry off just for a few minutes, maybe 10-15 minutes. Do another light coat, let it flash off. Then we're going to do our heavy coat. So let's get into it. Alright, we got our first light coat down on the lights. We're going to let it dry for about 5 to 10 minutes, let it flash off, and then hit it with another coat. Do the same, and then hit it with a heavy coat. Alright, so we threw down our coats on the lights here. I ran out of paint early, so I had to do what I had to do, and I laid it down. I'm going to go throw these in the oven at a low temp, let them bake for a second, and then we'll see the finished product. Gonna put them in the oven here for just a few minutes on about 200 degrees and just let them bake off. Alright, so we got the lights back in the truck. They look fantastic. I'm super thrilled with how they came out. They look so much better than they did before. Look at these new lights. Look at what an old light looks like. Old light. Fresh light. Okay, so anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Check out my other videos on my other Comanches. Got a whole bunch of cool stuff going on. So like, subscribe, and enjoy this stuff. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace.